Hello viewers, welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. If you're new here, like we usually say, please subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video that we post when we post. My name is Agina.
And my name is Nikki.
Now this channel is talking about the Luo language, and the Luo language is a language spoken by the people from Eastern Africa, majorly Kenya, Uganda, South Sudan, Tanzania, and places like that. So our aim in this channel is to ensure that our language is preserved and you can also learn our language. Today's video is about domesticated animals and birds. So we want to give you the names of the animals and the birds. Okay? So number one.
Diang.
What?
Diang.
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 Car.
Ka.
Now why did you say car?
I don't know.
Number two.
Diel.
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 Diel is goat. Number three.
Rombo.
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 That's a sheep. The child of a rombo is called nyarombo.
Nyarombo.
Yes. So rombo and nyarombo. Diel and nyadiel. Okay? Diang. Now diang is not nyadiang. Diang is nyaroya.
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 We shall try and translate this in the closed caption so you can read the captions.
Punda.
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 That's a donkey. Punda. And this is they got it from the Swahili because Swahili also says punda.
Faras.
Faras. That's a horse. Faras. Faras.
Nyambora.
Nyambura.
Nyambora.
Nyambura.
Nyambora.
That's a cat.
Guok. Guok.
Guok.
Guok.
Guok.
Guok.
The U and the O are together. Guok.
Guok.
Yes. Guok.
Guok.
That's a dog. The kid of a dog is just nyati guok.
Nyati. Guok.
Yes. And the kid of a cat is also nyati nyambura.
Nyati. Nyambora.
Yes. Number
Gueno. Gueno.
gueno.
Gueno.
Gueno.
Gueno.
Gueno.
Gueno.
Correct. Chicken. Gueno.
Atudo. Atudo.
You see, when you say ATUDO, it's a different thing. Different meaning. That's a homograph.
Atudo.
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 That's a duck. Now, the child of a chicken is called, and how do you call a child of a chicken? I forgot. I'll look for it. The child of a duck is, I forgot.
Akuru. Akuru.
Akuru.
Akuru.
Akuru.
Akuru.
Yes, akuru, dove. Dove.
Apoio. Apoio. Apoio.
Yes. Apoyo. 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 That's a rabbit.
Mbata. Mbata.
Mbata.
Mbata.
Mbata.
Mbata.
Mbata.
Mbata.
That's a goose. Geese. Goose. Geese.
Goose. Luo.
Sorry.
Luo.
Luo. Luo.
Luo.
Sorry, she has a cough. A camel. Luo. Sorry. The last one?
KASUKU.
KASUKU. The last one is KASUKU. You can go and control the camera. KASUKU is the last one. And KASUKU is a parrot. Remember, if you're new here, check all these other videos that we've done before. And this will help you to just learn Luo with us. Thank you so much. And those who've been giving us ideas, comments, suggestions, thank you so much. We appreciate your feedback. And we are into the 4th month. We are in April. We started in January. We now have over 700 subscribers. Thank you so much. We are looking into getting about 1,000 subscribers in the next 2 months. And we know it's possible. And then we also want to diversify into other things. We want to start reading children's stories. We want to start giving ideas about books and things like that. So just stay tuned. And thank you so much for supporting this channel. If you want to support us, we have a Patreon page, www.patreon.com/Luo English Dictionary. If you want to follow us on Twitter, it's Luo English Dictionary. On Facebook, it's Luo English Dictionary, and every other. In Instagram, we're now in Instagram, Luo English Dictionary. Check it out. All right. Thank you so much, and kwe. Yes, I will.